Have you ever wondered why some products become household names while others, sometimes even better products, fail completely? Why do some brands inspire fierce loyalty while others struggle to get noticed? And why do customers choose one product over another, even when the alternatives are almost identical? The answer lies in one powerful concept: marketing management. Marketing management is not just advertising or running social media campaigns. It is a strategic discipline, the art and science of understanding customers, creating value, and communicating that value in a way that attracts, satisfies, and retains them. According to Philip Kotler, marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping, and growing customers through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. In simple terms, marketing management answers three questions: who are our customers? What do they truly want? And how do we deliver it better than anyone else? In this video, we will break down the complete foundation of marketing management, the marketing management process, the 4 Ps of marketing, consumer behavior, and branding. Let's begin. Marketing management is not one activity, it is a continuous process. It has 4 key stages: research, strategy, execution, and measurement. Everything starts with research. You study customer needs, competitors, market trends, and industry gaps. Without research, marketing becomes guesswork. Once insights are gathered, you develop a strategy. This includes target audience selection, positioning, and marketing objectives. Strategy defines what you will do and why. Then comes execution, where ideas become action. You launch campaigns, run ads, and deliver your product to market. Finally, measurement and control. You analyze what worked, what failed, and what needs improvement. This creates a feedback loop for continuous growth. Think of it like this: research shows direction, strategy builds the map, execution is the journey, and measurement tells you if you reach the destination. Now let's move to the most important framework in marketing, the 4 Ps of marketing mix. The 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, form the backbone of every marketing strategy. They were introduced by E. Jerome McCarthy in 1960 and are still the foundation of modern marketing. Think of them as 4 pillars holding up a business. If one weakens, the entire structure becomes unstable. First, product. A product is not just a physical item. It includes design, features, quality, branding, and experience. But more importantly, it solves a problem. Apple doesn't sell just phones. They sell status, ecosystem, experience, and identity. That is why customers don't say, "I bought a phone." They say, "I bought an iPhone." Next, price. Price is not just cost. It is psychology. It defines perceived value and positioning. High price often signals luxury and exclusivity. Low price signals affordability and mass market appeal. Price is not what you charge. It is what people believe it is worth. Next, place. Place refers to distribution, where the product is available. This includes retail stores, online platforms, and direct-to-consumer channels. Availability itself is a strategy. Limited access creates value. Wide availability creates convenience. Now promotion. Promotion is communication. It includes advertising, social media, influencers, email marketing, and public relations. Promotion does not just sell products. It builds awareness, trust, and emotional connection. A strong product with weak promotion fails. A weak product with strong promotion can still succeed. For service industries, the 4 Ps expand into 7 Ps: people, process, and physical evidence. But the 4 Ps remain the foundation of marketing. Now let's understand the heart of marketing: consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of how people buy, use, and evaluate products and services. And here is the truth: people do not always buy logically. They buy emotionally and justify logically later. Consumers typically go through 5 stages before making a purchase. First is problem recognition. A need or desire is triggered. Second is information search. They research online, read reviews, and ask for recommendations. Third is evaluation of alternatives. They compare options based on price, brand, features, and trust. Fourth is purchase decision, influenced by emotion, urgency, offers, and availability. Fifth is post-purchase behavior. If satisfied, they become loyal. If not, they leave negative feedback. Consumer behavior is also influenced by psychological factors like motivation and perception, social factors like family and culture, personal factors like age and income, and economic factors like purchasing power. Marketing works best when it understands these influences deeply. Another important influence on consumer behavior is culture. Culture refers to the values, beliefs, customs, traditions, and social norms that shape how people think and behave. What consumers buy, how they buy, and why they buy are often influenced by their cultural background. For example, during festivals such as Diwali, consumers tend to purchase new clothes, electronics, jewelry, and gifts. These purchasing decisions are influenced not only by personal needs but also by cultural traditions. Within every culture, there are subcultures based on religion, region, language, nationality, and lifestyle. These subcultures create unique preferences and buying patterns. Social class also influences consumer behavior. People from different income groups often have different expectations regarding quality, price, luxury, and brand image. Successful marketers understand cultural differences and adapt their products, advertising, packaging, and promotional strategies to connect with specific consumer groups. Companies that respect and understand culture often build stronger relationships with customers and achieve greater success in the marketplace. Now let's talk about branding. A brand is not a logo, name, or tagline. A brand is the emotional perception people have about a company. Brand positioning is about creating a unique space in the customer's mind. It answers, why should customers choose you? Brand equity is the value of a brand in the customer's mind. It includes brand awareness, brand associations, perceived quality, and brand loyalty. Strong branding builds trust, loyalty, differentiation, and allows premium pricing. Nike does not just sell shoes. They sell inspiration, performance, and identity. Now let's bring everything together. Marketing management starts with research to understand the market. Then strategy defines the direction. Execution applies the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. Consumer behavior explains how customers think and decide. Branding builds emotional connection and long-term loyalty. When all of this works together, marketing becomes more than selling. It becomes the art and science of creating value. If this video helped you understand marketing management, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on business, marketing, and strategy. And comment below, which brand do you think has the strongest marketing strategy? Thank you for watching. Stay curious. Keep learning. And remember, great marketing is not about selling more. It is about serving better.